Crown Estate, we ensure we put sustainability at the heart of all our business decisions, whether we're investing, whether we're partnering, or how we're working across our assets on land and sea.
The Crown Estate is very happy to partner with the Blue Earth Summit in its mission to transform the way the world works.
By listening, we can learn so much more, we can make better decisions, and ultimately the activities we're involved in and the developments we're bringing forward are going to work for many more people, for many more generations.
And I think everyone here had something not just interesting, but actually very important in terms of how we need to build together and what the risks we face collectively.
We are delighted to be thinking about both enabling offshore wind, but also much broader than that, the role that we can play in supporting nature recovery.
So we need economic growth, but we need economic growth that complements nature.
We recognize that through partnership, we're going to get there faster, right? In Africa, we say if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go further, you go together. And so we are taking that really seriously in how we approach it.
Partnership, collaboration, make connections, find new people to work with, be active, be joiners, be involved.
It's been amazing to be here at the Blue Earth Summit the last couple of days. So much energy and inspiration from a whole range of stakeholders, all working on a very similar goal as us, to take joined up action for climate, for people, for nature, right across the UK and beyond.